Good morning! Same to you, pretty tan. My name is Chanelin Barurot Kabok. Para sa blind item, rated XXX.
Jennifer Marurot.
Blind item number 1. Who is this girl Alu na kapag kikagautsot ko ay sumasabog ang mouth pinatubo? Mahaba ang hair at choco bells. Message to her. Te, mura lang toothbrush and toothpaste. Sipilyo din pag may time. Oh! Tweet from Twitter. At Roy Ganda. Te, pag may nakamoy niyan, pahiya ka. XD. Hashtag Sipilyo with feelings. Nag-tweet din si at Taylor Kailaw. Te, push mo yan. Free mag-toothbrush. Hashtag paamoy naman. At muli, ako po si Chanelin Barurot, Sabok. Rated XXX. Maraming salamat.